Hey guys, me Lawson back with another video, and today we are doing a video on the fidget spinner. Next video will be about this, the fidget cube. So, of course you do this, and I can do it with one finger already. And yeah, this is the metal version because it's blue metal. Can't you see? Or this is either plastic but looks like metal. But if you move it with your fingers, you can sort of feel it. So that's how it's more like a fidget thing. This we'll do in the next video. Actually, we can just do it in this one. So I'm going to try do it with this one, and then, oh no! Okay, I'm not really good with this hand, but there we go. There we go. And there we go. Now, onto the fidget cube. The first side is this ball and this lock thing, because you would do the lock keys to make this like the lock combination to make it be like that. That's just what I think it's like. And then there's these 3 buttons that work. These ones also do, but they don't make the same noise. They're silent. These ones do, and it's like a pen. It sounds like a pen. And then this is my favorite one. This is the switch. This one is like for a controller for a game. And then this one, you just spin it, and this one right here has nothing in it, but you just do this, and it feels good. And that was it. So, yeah. And, yeah, so this is both of them. And there we go. So, yeah. See you guys later. Bye.